Good morning mga palangga. Ang saya-saya ko ngayon kasi trinak ko ulit yung box natin. And yes, may progression tayo mga palangga. Malapit na talagang dumating yung box natin. Malapit na nilang matanggap yung box. So ito siya. Ito na siya mga palangga, oh. Tingnan nyo, 22nd of October, forwarded to Osamis. Osamis is my province. Ay, sobrang tuwa ko talaga nung na-track ko na may progression na siya ulit. Matatanggap talaga nila in the next few days siguro. Mga this week siguro ay kasi Sunday ngayon. So, wala sigurong delivery. So, mga next week na talaga. Monday to Friday. Hopefully, dadating na sa amin yung box. Oh my gosh, oy, I hope lang talaga ma-appreciate nila yung nasa box. I hope hindi sila mag-away. Nako naman talaga. Oy, naglagay talaga ako ng note sa box na please, huwag kayong mag-away. Just be happy. Huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-video or kahit picture lang. Basta may makita lang ako. Okay na ako, masaya na ako doon. So, yun. Hopefully talaga hindi nila makalimutan. Come on now, mister! Hello mga palangga. So ito, bihis na ako kanina. Nung nakita niyo ako kanina, sobrang haggard ko. Pero ngayon, medyo may ayos na yung lola niyo. Hello, John.
Hello.
We're going to Dunelm to look for a plate stand. And also, we will probably buy some cups and my cup as well.
Have you got your card? Don't look at me like that. So she says all these things and it's
Don't give me that.
He's a bright vlogger. Jogger. Right, let's do one, Jeffrey.
Let's go! So ito yung suot ko. Yung nabili ko sa Jules. And then, itong jumper, matagal na to. Mga 3 years na ata siguro to. Pero na-haul ko to nung binili ko to. Hindi ko lang maalala kung kailan yun. Ang silaw ng araw. I got a bit of headache, honey. Don't know why. I think it's because the sun, you know. That's why I have a headache. Am I look alright?
Yep.
You sure, no?
You are. Why do you think you don't? Isn't it?
It's just strange with this sleeveless thingy, you know, vest.
Where did you get that from? Was that Jules?
Yeah, the one that I bought on eBay. Is it okay?
It's brand new.
Yeah, is it alright? Does it go?
Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
You're online.
No, it's eBay notification. Oh, honey.
What?
It's been dispatched. We're here. Yun yung Dunelm. At later, papunta tayo dito sa Sports Direct kasi I need some socks.
And the glasses.
Oh, I think we're a bit tight here. I can manage. I'm only little.
Really?
Come on now, sir.
Usually like them.
Naka-sunglasses ako kasi sobrang silaw ng araw. Come on. Come on now. Many car coming. Wala, oy, meron na silang Christmas tree. Christmas na talaga.
Oh, it's a place then, isn't it? This is fat.
Puppy. Hey, look at this.
Oh,
That's my cup.
is it?
That's my cup in where I work. That's the style. Did you not remember? We get that from here.
circle. Yeah.
Head jugs. Yeah. This is it. There's a lot of cups here. Shh. The game is on.
Too big, aren't they?
This is big. More cups over here. I like this.
Too large.
Look at this. You got the same pattern. No, I'm not having that again.
No.
No, I'm having my head jug.
Oh, have your head jug then?
Wala kaming mahanap na plate stand. Kailangan namin magtanong. Ang gaganda ng mga carpet nila ay tingnan niyo, oh.
Looking down here, then,
Wow. Ang gaganda. Ang daming mga color selection ay. We need to think kung ano yung i-color natin sa front room once we have the extension. Saan ba yun si Jan? Oh, here you are. Ah, ang cute nito, oh. Diba ang cute? Nagtanong si Jan and they said they don't have a plate stand. So, ito lang. Ito lang yung babayaran namin ngayon. It's busy. That's it. Jan paid the cup. Jan paid the mug today.
Bye.
Thank you. £2. We're going to Sports Direct now. Magkatabi lang kasi sila.
Doesn't fit in the pocket.
Does it not? It doesn't fit in your pocket.
Right, let's just get in there.
Very quiet here. I like the Sports Direct because they have a lot of selection of shoes.
You want New Balance?
Actually, I will look the shoes as well. Let's try the junior sizes if they have my size.
You want New Balance? Yeah?
Right, wala ako nagustuhan dito. So, punta tayo upstairs. I'm following, sweet. This is my first time to be in here. I mean, upstairs. More up here. Sobrang dami. They have socks as well. Where's the New Balance?
New Balance. Running labels, New Balance.
No, I don't like the look of them, hon.
Run me all this way. Socks, look. These are proper running socks.
Ang hinahanap ko kasi na brand is New Balance kasi yung last shoes ko nung nagsimula ako sa trabaho, New Balance siya. It's so comfortable. Yung Skechers na napakita ko sa inyo, hindi siya masyadong comfortable sa work. So, ayun, naghahanap ako. We need this.
You got some
Pero,
socks, yeah?
yes, I got some socks. Pero, yun nga, wala namang New Balance na gusto ko. At titingin-tingin ako sa junior sizes. Wala din. Never mind, I just got some socks. So that's it. Yun lang. Ito. At yung cup ko, yung mug ko. Cup or mug? What's the difference? Huh?
Cup's larger. A cup's small.
And then mug is bigger?
Yeah.
Ah. Uh-oh. It's starting to rain. Nako. There you go. GB Antiques and Furniture Center. So, pupunta tayo dito.
Parking on here.
Oh, car.
Go on.
There's a car.
Two of us.
Adults,
What's the damage?
£3 altogether.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, ang cute. Mahilig ba kayong pumunta sa mga antique? Ako, mahilig ako pumunta sa mga antique kasi I find it interesting.
Tiffany style.
Yeah.
They're real.
This is nice.
Isn't it?
Look, I found the teddy of Mr. Ben.
What's his face? Right? Oh no.
Oh. It really reminds me of Mr. Bean, that teddy is. Let me try.
Didn't know musical.
Let me try. No, I'm not playing. That is so cute. I always wanted to have this light.
Where are you going to
It's
put it?
very vintage.
Very bright.
Honeybee,
Yeah?
what is this for?
No,
What's the crack of this pumpkin?
just
Just
a decoration.
a decoration?
Just a decoration. No.
What are they for?
Well, back in the day,
Mm.
we would take hot coals from the fire,
Mm.
put them inside there,
Yeah. Put this.
and lift the lid
Can
up,
you lift?
and put them inside there.
Ah.
Put that on there,
Yeah.
and then you go and put it in your bed.
Oh,
Put the
right.
bed warmer.
Oh, right.
It might stink of,
Tingnan nyo, they got a lot of guitar.
acoustic.
Well, hindi ako marunong tumugtog ng gitara, pero we'll try. Come on, you need to play. That's it. We're back to where we are.
There's still a lot to see, yeah?
A lot to see. A lot. Maganda yung antique nila dito because when you see antique, it's just everything. I like that, honey. That big cabinet.
It has no value, you know. I bet there's not a lot of money on it.
How much is it?
$4.95.
$4.95.
Ground furniture, great.
Yeah, I mean, it's not for everybody as well because the size of it is
We need to
just
go this way.
big.
I've been there, yeah.
See? Tingnan nyo.
You need a big walk.
Malulula kayo sa kakatingin. Sobrang dami mga items. What is this?
It's putting drawings in, like an architect.
Ah, yeah,
thing.
that's our architect desk. Yeah. Kung architect ka, meron silang desk dito. Yeah. Hey, we have that in the Philippines.
Wainscot,
Yeah.
So
Let's
you have
see.
to have that off though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna dial
Notice
like,
and all
for
that,
example,
yeah.
you go there. So this is the old phone. So you go like that. And then 3, 5. Ah. That's it. Uuwi na kami. Ay. Ay, nako. Wala kaming nabili. After all, sa kakaikot namin, wala. Never mind. Nandito na kami sa bahay. I got a bad headache. I always think na traveling doesn't agree with me. Ewan ko ba kung sa traveling ba or dahil sa araw. Kasi sobrang silaw kasi and sometimes it affect my eyes. Huhugasan ko lang tong new cup natin. New mug pala. Yan. Wala akong tripod ngayon. So, mapasensya niya na. Magbibihis muna ako. And then, later on, tea time na naman. So, we need to prepare tea. Nandoon si Jan o nagsisibak ng kahoy. There. At yung mga alaga natin, nandoon. Hi, gorgeous. Hello. Oh, they're so cute. So, si Jan, magpapastis lang siya at rice. And ako naman, may leftover rice ako. Kaya ayun, itlog at rice. Wala talaga ako sa mood magluto. Sobrang sakit talaga ng ulo ko. Ganito ako pag it's either na magta-travel kami, it triggers my headache, or dahil sa araw na sobrang silaw. Kasi this eye kasi, it's not the best. Pag sobrang silaw ng araw, if I close my eyes right now, parang may makikita ako na parang light. Ganun ba? Tama ba yung pagka-explain ko? Basta, weird siya. Kaya ayun, nagkukos siya ng headache. I need to light the fire, honey, because it's 16 degrees here. Is it on? Sabi ko kay Jan na, you need to prepare my egg.
Yes. Oh. There's some of the tricks you have everywhere.
You're very romantic husband, aren't
What
you?
have you been romantic?
Ah!
Oh, that, please, do you want to turn it over? Do you want to turn it over?
Ah, that's why there's an oil in it. Yeah, yes, please. Just turn it over. I need to... There's an oil in my lens. So, I need to wipe you over.
Well,
Okay, I'll be back. That's it. Much better. John is shouting, tea is ready! Hindi na masyadong masakit yung ulo ko. It's settling down. Is it well cooked, my egg?
perfect.
Honey, oy, they're still
They
soggy.
are not soggy.
Honey, oy, they're still soggy. Ay, you know me,
They
ay.
are not
They are
soggy.
soggy.
They are not.
They are.
Where?
They are soggy, John.
That
Ay.
is not soggy.
It's soggy. It's soggy. Just feel
I pay you
it.
£100. That is not soggy.
It is soggy, sweetheart. You see?
See, it's not soggy.
It is soggy. Don't touch it. Put it back. You need to feel the egg. You're so annoying, I. You see? It's soggy. Right. Where's 100 pound? I am listening.
Soggy.
It is soggy.
Oh, it should be.
Ayaw ko kasing ano, yung itlog runny. See? It's very runny. This man ay. How many times? How long you know me? It's like
5 minutes.
5 minutes. We've been together for 5 years and you still doesn't know how I like my egg.
I know you like the egg. Fertilised.
Fertilize.
I'm going.
Bye. This man ay. It's soggy. It's runny.
No soggy, no really.
Perfect daw sabi niya. Ayaw ko talaga. Kasi nalalansahan ako pag yung egg runny. Iba-iba naman tayo, di ba? Si Jan, pag ano, nag-e-egg siya, ay, uy, parang hindi ko manalinis na maayos yung lens, uy. Yeah. Hindi talaga. May nakikita pa akong oil. So, pag nag-e-egg si Jan, gusto niya yung runny egg. Pero ako, no, thank you. Kain muna ako mga palangga. Ay, sige, bye muna.